What's up guys, it's Seth here back with another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video we have vz102492 and this is for the Dodge Durango fitting 2014 to 2026 models. Now, other than vz102492 itself, which is just the front bumper kit, you will also have your front bumper lip that comes with it, and that's the only thing from this kit that you can actually order separately. And this will be vz102523 if you want to check it out separately and buy it separate from the rest of the kit. But other than that, that is the only piece in this kit that you can buy separately. Now moving on from the front lip, which is vz102523, we will have our grille, which is our bottom grille actually, because we also have our top grille back there. And this bottom grille actually inserts into the front bumper right here. And you will also have your badge indicator right here. And this just snaps in to the grille itself. Or if you have your badge still intact, you can go ahead and put that in the slot instead. Then you have a trim piece here. And this simply just snaps on to the front bumper right here, like so. Then we'll also have these two air vent scoops, and these will actually be installed underneath the car themselves. Then we'll have our top grille trim, and I believe on the website these still show silver, but they do no longer come in silver. They're this opaque white, which can be painted, and you can get this painted chrome or however you would like done. And I believe that's also why we swapped to the opaque white, is so that people have the option to do chrome instead of us just sending out a silver version. Now moving on from there, we'll have our side vents or our side vent with the LED. Now we send you both options just so you don't have to go ahead and reorder the second pair if you don't have the LED light. Or if you do have the LED light, you could go ahead and just install the one for the LED light instead of having to worry about asking for another piece. And it's like that on both sides. So we send you both left and right with the LED and without the LED. Then next, we'll have our top grille. And this also has the trim with it in front of it, as you guys could see a moment ago. And this just simply snaps onto the front bumper and gets bolted down. And then lastly, we'll have our front bumper. And it has little tabs here. I've already snapped them off just so I can show you guys, but it has tabs here so that this piece doesn't fold in like this, which has already happened with this piece because these pieces were snapped off. So just keep that in mind. Keep these on if you're not gonna install your front bumper right away, because you can end up deforming your front bumper and you may have to heat it up to form it back to shape or install it on the car and not have to worry about it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this kit. If you want to see more videos just like this one or an install video on this kit, there's already one on our Vicrez YouTube channel, so make sure to check it out and subscribe. Other than that, make sure to like and comment and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one. Peace.